What's up, guys? Kalen Bryant here, back at you with another video. So, disclaimer, or just apologize for me being out. I haven't posted consistently lately, but I'm getting back into my consistent posts. I'm posting consistent YouTube videos, teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. That's what this channel is all about. How to make money online passively so that you can start living the life that you want to live, right? All while I'm trying to do the same exact thing, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Google in 2019, okay? Make money online in 2019 with Google, okay? Easy money. You make $15 an hour. And then another program has $14 an hour, okay? So I have 3 websites, so make sure you stay through the end of this video to get all 3 websites and get just a short review on it, okay? So before I do that, welcome to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to this channel. There will be my icon either in this corner or the other corner. One of the corners, you'll see my icon, my symbol, sorry. KB, right? So just go ahead and click that and hit subscribe, as well as hit the subscribe button down this video, below this video. And at any time in this video I give you some kind of valuable content, make sure you smash the like button. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So there's 3 websites where you can make money online in 2019. Not directly with Google, but it's related to Google, okay? The first site that you can start, you can become a member today. Is free to join. You don't have to pay any money. It's called Appen, okay? Appen is where if you already search Google, you search Bing, you search Yahoo, Appen is a site where you can join and you can do jobs to test search engines. Right, so you'll basically be a search engine evaluator, okay? So you basically pay for, I'm sorry, I'm looking at my notes. You pay for searching and you rate those search results that you get from Google or Yahoo, okay? So Appen pays like $15 an hour. You have to do a minimum of 20 hours a week, okay? You don't have to do 20 hours in that one day. You don't have to do 5 hours for 5 days. I'm sorry, 2 hours for 5 days. No, you can do it however you want to do it. So if you want to do 20 hours in one day, you can, but I don't think that's not passive, okay? Or you can do however you want to do it, okay? One thing that Appen has that is limited is that it's only offered in the US and the UK, I believe. But the other 2 options that I'm going to show you in this video, you can do it wherever, multiple languages, and you can do it in multiple countries, okay? But Appen, so if you scroll down here to be a part of the careers, so they have raters, language jobs, micro tasks, and corporate jobs. So for this video, I'm primarily focusing on raters. So raters is flexible, part-time, home-based work. All you have to have is a computer and or a mobile device, okay? And you can do it wherever you are in the US and the UK and get paid. And like I said, you have to do at least 20 hours a week, all right? And it pays out monthly. So that's Appen. It's cool, it's legit, but you do need to have some general knowledge on search engines as well as social media platforms like Facebook, because you'll also probably be asked to evaluate and rate Facebook ads and Facebook content and Facebook searches, etc. So you have to have some kind of knowledge of, like I said, search engine, searching through search engines as well as social media platforms, okay? So the second program is called Raider Labs. Now, Raider Labs has just got bought out by Appen. So it's essentially the same thing. The only plus with Raider Labs is that you can basically be a part of Raider Labs and get jobs wherever, in a lot of countries and in a lot of different languages. You have the US, Canada, Singapore, and Chinese. Brazil and Portuguese, Egypt and Arabic. So if you're in another country, if you speak a different language, you can use Raider Labs, come on here and make some good money on the side, part-time and also flexible. Okay. Appen, you get $15 an hour. At Radar Labs, up to $14 an hour. I'm not sure if there's a hours per week cap or a minimum that you have to acquire, but they were just purchased by Appen, so I would assume that you have to do at least 20 hours a week. So, but if you're on this video, you want to make as much money as you can with as much work as you can. So you're going to do at least 20 hours. 20 hours is just 2 hours a day just during the week. Okay. So if you can't do that, you're really not passionate about making money online and putting your future in your own hands. Okay. So that's Radar Labs. It's the same thing as Appen. You can rate search engine optimization, search engine results, as well as social media results. Okay, but like I said, the main plus and positive to Radar Labs is that you can do it anywhere and in multiple languages. Okay, and then the third and final site that you can join today to start making money online in 2019, just like Google Money. Okay, Google Money. Who wants Google Money? It's called Lyon Bridge. Lyon Bridge is another site just like Appen and just like Radar Labs, but they have more jobs that are more specific, and it's not something you can just go on and apply for in general. They have specific jobs that you have to come back and check periodically to see if they have an opening available. Okay, so if you go to lyonbridge.com, scroll and go to join our team, and they have current job openings. So you can be a corporate associate, you can be tester, raters, curator, translators in agencies, or interpreter. Okay, but for the purposes of this video, we're really sticking to testers, raters, and curators. So it's a all home-based job where you come in and you test different search engines and social media, test rate different search engines results and social media platforms and things of that nature. So guys, these are the three sites that you can start today. You can join them right now for free. You don't have to pay any money, and start, rating things, rating some ads, rating some search engine results, some social media content, right? So Lyon Bridge, Radar Labs, and Appen. Okay. The links for these three will be in the description. No, they're not my affiliate links. They're just links to these three sites. So if you want to, click on them, look at them yourself, do some more digging into them, feel free to go down and check out the links in the description. They will be under my #1 source of making a full-time income online. And just talking about that, if you want to check out, something to make a full-time income online on complete autopilot, there is a done-for-you system. That'll be my #1 link, the first link in the description. It says my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income online, okay? This is a done-for-you system. All you have to do is take 15 minutes out of your day, integrate your systems, and then drive traffic, and everything is done for you. Even the emails automatically are sent out for you if you just follow the steps in the system, okay? So check that link out in the description. And guys, if you found some kind of value, anything in this video, make sure you smash the like button, as well as subscribe to this video. Okay, I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers within 2 months. That is my goal. All right, so help me reach that goal. And comment below if you're in Appen, or if you're in Radar Labs, or in Lyon Bridge and you have some experience with them. Comment below, share with me and as well as my other viewers what your experiences are so far. Right, so go ahead, check out the links in the description, like this video, and subscribe. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And again, sorry for being out. I'm going to do better. That's my promise to you, and I'm going to stick to that promise and execute and take action. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out. See you tomorrow.